Hey guys, what's up? So it's no secret that the demand for the Samsung Galaxy S20 series is the lowest among the recently launched Galaxy flagship smartphones such as the Note 10 and the Galaxy S10. In fact, the S20 series has almost 50% less demand compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy S10 series. Now, a part of that can be attributed to the current situation we are all in, but that's not all. The high price tag of the latest Galaxy flagships, which start at $1,000, and the poor performance of the Exynos 990, which is offered with the S20 family globally, has contributed to the poor sales as well. On top of that, there are phones like the OnePlus 8 Pro which offer almost the same experience as the S20 for a lesser price, especially in markets like India. So when news broke out that Samsung is working on a new and improved Exynos processor for the Note 20 series, we were happy that at least Samsung has listened to the feedback and will offer the Note 20 series with a better processor. The Exynos 990 was supposed to be based on a 6nm manufacturing process and perform 1-3% better than the Snapdragon 865. Now it might still fall behind the Snapdragon 865 Plus, but at least it will be a lot closer. That's what we thought. But according to Ice Universe, Samsung will continue to use the Exynos 990 with the Galaxy Note 20 series. This has been confirmed by Max Weinbach as well. Max mentions that he's unable to find references to any other new processor in the latest One UI 2.5 firmware except the Snapdragon 865 Plus. So it seems like Samsung will continue using the Exynos 990 in markets like India and Europe. This is of course bad news for people who were hoping to get a better processor in Note 20. In my opinion, Samsung should have utilized the Snapdragon 865 Plus for Note 20 in all the regions. They could have easily disabled the 5G modem for non-5G markets like rumored for the S20 Lite. This could have made people switch to the Note 20. I am sure there are a lot of people who didn't get the S20 because of the performance issues with the Exynos 990. Anyway, what do you think about this move from Samsung? Will you buy the Note 20 series if it comes with the Exynos 990? Please let me know in the comments. There is some good news though for people who prefer curves on their displays. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will have the same curve as the Galaxy Note 7. Now you might remember the Note 7 from this, but it still had one of the nicest designs. We've already seen the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in hands-on video and it doesn't look much different compared to the Note 10 Plus, so it shouldn't be a lot difficult to handle. Now if you hate curves, you may get the Galaxy Note 10, which will have a flat design, but you'll have to make a compromise with the screen resolution, the refresh rate and the cameras. Also, the Galaxy Note 20 series might not be priced as high as some early reports have suggested. According to South Korean media, both the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Note 20 will be priced 50,000 won or 0.05 million won cheaper than the Note 10 Plus and the Note 10 respectively. According to the report, Note 20 Ultra might be priced at 1.45 million won, while the Note 20 may cost 1.2 million won at launch. If we convert that to the US rates, the Note 20 comes to around $1,000, while the Note 20 Ultra may be priced at $1,200. 50,000 won equates to around $40, so it's not much but still lower than previously rumored. If you remember, the Note 10 was launched at $950 in the US, while the Note 10 Plus was offered at $1,100. While these are prices for the 4G variant, the Note 10 Plus 5G was launched for $1,300. So compared to that, the Note 20 Ultra may still be priced lower if it launches for $1,200. Also in the news, we have the promo video for the Galaxy Z Flip 5G courtesy of EveLeaks. The phone is seen in a bronze color in the video and as expected, it looks exactly like the Galaxy Z Flip 4G. The phone should be powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus SoC, which has just been announced a couple of days ago. We also have the new Galaxy Buds, which have leaked in all three colors, black, white and gold or bronze. These are one of the most quirky designed earphones and look exactly like a bean. Apparently these will be called the Galaxy Buds Live and launched alongside the Galaxy Note 20 series on August 5th. The case has a square design with rounded corners matching the Note series pretty nicely. These are supposed to bring active noise cancellation on board, which is missing from the Galaxy Buds and the Buds Plus. Also, the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus's design has been revealed through Safety Korea Certification Authority, and we can have a look at the back of the tablet. The tab appears to have a metal body and a 13MP plus 5MP dual camera setup along with an LED flash. There is a cavity for placing the S Pen as well, which will be bundled with the device. We also have the AKG branding. At the front, we have an 8MP selfie camera in the middle and the display of course, which is rumored to have a 120Hz refresh rate for the Tab S7 Plus. These should be powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus SoC, have 6 or 8 gigs of RAM and a 128GB or 256GB storage. The Galaxy Tab S7 might get a 7760 mAh battery, while the Tab S7 Plus may have a 10090 mAh cell and support for 45W quick charging. That's it for this video. Do let me know your opinions on this. Also smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.